Realme has been teasing the Realme XT 730G for a couple of months now, and it took them a while to understand how complicated that name can be. Well, that said, the phone is finally here in form of the Realme X2, the younger sibling of its Pro variant, or you can also say is as the Realme XT Pro. That said, don't go by the lack of Pro branding, since the X2 definitely packs in some pretty cool interesting tricks up its sleeves thanks to the Color OS. So if you're planning to get a Realme X2 or you've already got one, then here are some tips and tricks that you should definitely know about. Hi guys, this is Ashish from Guiding Tech, and let's get right into it, shall we? Just like its bigger brother, the Realme X2 packs in the quad camera setup that's highlighted by the 64MP primary sensor. This allows you to capture high resolutions 64MP photos using this device. However, due to the huge file size, the phone saves pictures in 16 megapixels by default. Yes, just to make sure that you don't run out of memory with just a few photos. But that doesn't mean you can't unlock its full potential. To do that, just tap on the menu button to the left of the frequently used mode and then tap on the Ultra 64 megapixel option. Now once you have done that, you're all set. The photos you click on your Realme X2 now will be in full resolution, allowing you to make prints without any issues. Now clicking pictures is one thing, but about hiding them with prying eyes? The best solution to that is to open up the photo app and then long press on the main text like this. This will prompt you to set up a new password for your private safe. Once you have done that, you'll have your own space to hide some private photos and videos. So the next time you capture any personal picture or a cat meme or any of the personal images in your drive that you don't want to share with others, simply make sure that it's hidden inside the vault. Now speaking about hiding things, did you know that Realme actually hides a great tool inside its settings? It's called a smart sidebar, and it basically allows you to jump into apps or open up settings with a single swipe. Enabling this is pretty simple. Just head over to the convenience aid settings and turn it on. Now you can just swipe on the activation area to bring up the sidebar. What's more is that it is completely customizable, so you can add action of your own along with a list of desired apps. I use it regularly, and while there are apps on the Play Store that offer similar experience, I like the fact that Realme has offered this out of the box right on the Color OS. Okay, so moving on, one thing that I really love about the Realme X2 is its high capacity RAM, which allows you to run multiple apps at the same time. Now I'm talking about the 8GB variant, of course, and added to the 6.4-inch display and the split screen multitasking on this device is a breeze. And you know what? That's where the phone's quick gesture come in handy. Just head over to the app split screen in the settings and enable the swipe up with 3-finger option. Now each time you're inside a supported app, you can just swipe up with 3 fingers and quickly enter the split screen mode. Now while we are on the topic of using multiple apps, did you know that the phone actually allows you to have multiple versions of same app? That's right, you can have dual instances of apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram and whatnot. To set this up, open up settings and head over to App Cloner. Here, select the app you want to clone and then tap on the Enable App Cloning toggle. Once you've done that, a new icon of the app will then appear on the home screen and also on the app drawer, and you can then configure it with a separate account. Interestingly, there's also an option to see the apps which are actually supported this feature, and you can go ahead and download them later if you wish to use them. Okay, so we already know that one major difference between this phone and the X2 Pro is the slightly lower 730G processor. Now don't get me wrong though, the chipset is pretty powerful and can handle everything including gaming quite easily. That said, the phone also comes with a dedicated mode to boost your FPS on games even more. Just head over to GameSpace and add your favorite titles there. Now each time you launch it, the phone will automatically create the memory to boost performance. Additionally, you can also customize profile to switch to competitive mode and even block notifications that might come in your way. Now the phone comes with ColorOS 6.1 based on Android 9. While a ColorOS 7 update might be far off, there's one feature that even stock Android lacks but this phone has, which is call recording. To turn it up, open up Dialer and tap on Settings cog on the top right corner. In the following menu, tap on Call Recording. Here you can either select to record all calls or add certain contacts to the auto record options. Pretty nifty if you ask me, and it works really well. Now it is important to highlight that recording calls without consent is illegal in certain regions, so make sure to check the law before turning this option on for all the calls. And with that, we have come to the end of the list of tips and tricks for the Realme X2. If you have any other features that you want to point that we might have missed out, please make sure in the comment section. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do hit that subscribe button right now. So guys, this is Ashish signing off, and I hope to see you in our next video. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.